Hi, my name is Magne-Bjarte and I'm from Bergen, Norway. My final project for cs50 2020 is about pre-processing, extracting and structuring data from Word documents for algorithmic use. A common problem is to have data stored in Word format or similar formats like PDFs. The data is structured for humans, not machines. I will start by importing a table that contains an overview of questions from a work domain. I use docx to Python for the import and a series of lambda functions to structure the data. For illustrative purposes, I've created this Word file data explorer. It does three things. Shows the content of the blocks of the Word file, an overview of the data of the block we chose, here it's hard-coded. One challenge is the table column of category, where each row has multiple categories and multiple ways of encoding this as a string. I use regular expressions to split this string and then import each row in the column as a list into a pandas data frame. We can also explore a two-dimensional column and do some simple calculations, like what categories of questions are asked the most. Since this is a two-dimensional column, I use a function to extract all the categories into a one-dimensional list. My end goal is to be able to build on the base algorithm to pre-process data from Word and PDF documents for visualization in strategic decision-making.